Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome is a bold step forward in luxury travel, combining the toughness of a long-haul truck with the comfort of a 5-star suite. At first glance, its futuristic exterior design stands out with sleek aerodynamic lines, advanced LED lighting, and a commanding presence on the road. Built on Kenworth's new heavy-duty platform, this motorhome ensures stability, power, and reliability for long journeys. Under the hood, the T3000 is powered by a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric engine, delivering strong performance while significantly improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions compared to older models. Step inside, and the interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The cabin is equipped with smart technology, including voice-activated controls, panoramic digital displays, and a fully integrated navigation and entertainment system. High-quality materials like leather, polished wood, and ambient lighting make the space warm and inviting. The living area offers a spacious lounge with reclining seats, a foldable dining table, and a large smart TV. The kitchen comes complete with modern appliances, an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee system. The bedroom section features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, climate controls, and blackout smart glass windows for privacy and comfort. The bathroom is equally impressive with a rainfall shower, smart mirror, and eco-friendly water-saving features. For travelers who want to take work on the road, there's also a compact office space equipped with high-speed satellite internet. Safety is another strong point of the T3000. It comes loaded with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. On top of that, the air suspension system ensures a smooth and quiet ride, even on rough terrain. Overall, the 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome sets a new benchmark in its class. It's designed not just for travel, but for living in absolute comfort while on the move. For those who want luxury, technology, and performance all in one package, this motorhome makes a powerful statement and is ready to redefine the future of road adventures. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.